Okay class, so as just I have told you that we are going to study about Gujarat now. This is the located in the western coastal plain. Gujarat is located in the northwestern part of India. It is located in the north and western part of India. Its capital is Gandhinagar. Okay, so with the help of your book, I want to make you clear this topic. Okay, so you know better the location of Gujarat now. It is located in the northwest part of India. Okay, so the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar, and the rivers that flows in Gujarat are Sabarmati, Tapi and Narmada. Okay, so which rivers flows in Gujarat? Sabarmati, Tapi and Narmada, and the main language that is spoken in Gujarat is Gujarati. Okay. So next is the traditional dress. The traditional dress that is worn by the people in Gujarat. Men wear dhoti, churidar, short jacket also called angarakha. Okay, short jackets are called angarakhas, and they are having turbans also on their head. Women wear sari, lehenga and choli. Clear? Traditional dress of Gujarat is dhoti, churidar, short jacket and angarakha, and they are having turbans also. Men are having turbans on their head, and women wear sari and lehenga choli. The music famous music and dance of Gujarat is Garba and Ras Leela. Side by side underline all these things in your book also. Garba and Ras are the important music and dance of Gujarat. Festival that main festival that is celebrated in Gujarat is Navratri. Occupation. Okay, occupation you know better. Occupation means any work that is done for earning money. Okay, that is called occupation. So what type of occupation is followed by the people in Gujarat? They are having trading and farming are the main occupations of the people of Gujarat. And next is the crop. What type of they are growing crop also, and with the production of that they are that is also the main thing or the main occupation through which they get money. So what they grow there? Jawar, bajra, groundnut, sugarcane, cotton, tobacco. These are the main crops that are grown in Gujarat. And what type of industry is also found here? Which industries are found here? Textile, petroleum, salt, khadi, handloom, fertilizer, diamond cutting. You know diamonds? They are very expensive. And dairy farming are major industries of the state. Okay. Next is tourism. Tourism means what people go to see in Gujarat. From all over the world, people are coming to Gujarat to see different places, important places in Gujarat, that are Gir forests, Lothal, Dholavariya and Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram are the famous tourist destinations in Gujarat. Now the important cities of Gujarat. Which are the important cities of Gujarat? Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara and Rajkot are the main cities in Gujarat. Clear? Okay students, now the next state of western coastal plain, Maharashtra, we are going to study about Maharashtra. Okay, now first of all the location of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is located on the Konkan coast in western India. You know where is the Konkan coast? So with the help of this map I will tell you. Konkan coast, this is the Konkan coast. This part is called the Konkan coast, and Maharashtra is located in this part of India. Okay, Maharashtra is located in the Konkan coast of India, and its capital is Mumbai. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai, and the important rivers that flows in Maharashtra are Godavari and Krishna. Okay, Rivers that flows in Maharashtra are Godavari and Krishna, and the language that is spoken in Maharashtra is Marathi. This is the original language of Maharashtra, that is Marathi. Traditional dress, what type of dress people like to wear here? They wear, men wear dhoti kurta, pajama kurta and Gandhian cap. Gandhian cap that is used by Gandhiji. Okay, so they use dhoti kurta, pajama kurta and Gandhian cap. Women wear 9-yard sari, means a very long sari is worn by the women of Maharashtra. And the dance, Lavani and Tamasha are popular folk dances of Maharashtra. Main festival, or we can say important festival that is celebrated in Maharashtra is Ganesh Chaturthi. Again, I want to remind you that these all are important things, so you should underline them with your pencil. Okay, don't use pen. So the important festival celebrated in Maharashtra is Ganesh Chaturthi, and the occupation followed by the people of Maharashtra are trading and farming. Okay, and the main crops that grow in Maharashtra are cotton, because it is having black soil. So cotton is grown here, mango, groundnut, jawar, bajra, sugarcane, grapes, oranges, banana, and the major industries, film industry and petroleum, that Bombay High, it is having oil refineries also. Diamond industry is also there, and finance and textile industries also there in Mumbai. Next, with the help, see this picture, this is a picture of Elephanta caves that are located in in Maharashtra. Next is tourism, what people come to see here. People used to see here Elephanta caves, Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens. These are the important places that people used to come and see in Maharashtra. Now the important city, like in Punjab we are having Chandigarh is important city, Patiala is important city. Likewise every state is having important cities. So Maharashtra is having Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, Aurangabad, Kolhapur, Sholapur. These are the important cities of Maharashtra. Next we are going to study about Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India. See its location. Little bit, it is very little smaller state we are having as Goa. So Goa is located on the Konkan coast. Again Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka, all these three states are located in the Konkan coast. Okay, so we are talking about Goa, and its capital is Panaji. Rivers Zauri and Mandoi, important rivers that flow in Goa are Zauri and Mandovi. Languages spoken here in Goa are English, Konkani, Portuguese and Marathi. Konkani because it is in the Konkan region, and Marathi as it is a neighboring state of Maharashtra. So English, Konkani, Portuguese and Marathi are the important languages that are spoken in Goa. Next, the traditional dress that is worn by the Mandu. This is the dance performed by the people of Goa. So we are talking about the traditional dress. Men wear colorful shirts teamed up with half pants and a bamboo hat. Bamboo is a very famous vegetation, we can say, of Goa. So women wear 9-yard sari known as Navwari. Okay. Dance, what type of dance is performed here? Talgadi, Gof, Tanya, Mel and Mandu are well known dance forms of the state. Mandu here, you say that this type of dress is worn by the ladies, and they are having a hand fans in their hands while dancing, while performing their dance. They are using all these things. Okay. So next is the festival that is celebrated in Goa. Christmas and the Goan Carnival are celebrated here. These are the two important festivals celebrated by the people, that is Christmas and Goan Carnival. Now the occupation, farming is the main occupation and the fishing. These two are the main occupation. Farming and fishing are the two important occupations of Goa. And the crops that grow here in Goa